In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix notifications not working after the iOS 26 update. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, go ahead and open up your settings on your phone and then scroll down until you see the notifications option and open it up. Now from here, go ahead and scroll down just a little bit more and you're going to see all of your apps. Go ahead and choose whatever apps you're not getting notifications for. In this case, let's go ahead and pretend it is Amazon right here. Just make sure when you open it up, it says make sure allow notifications is on. In that lock screen, notification center and banners are enabled. You can also adjust the preview options if you would like. It's pretty cool. But from here, go ahead and back out of this and see if you get those notifications. If you're still not getting those notifications though, go ahead and do a force restart. You can do this by quickly pressing the volume up button and then the volume down button. And from here, hold the side button until the screen goes black and that Apple logo does appear. I'm not doing it in this case just because I am screen recording right now, but as soon as that Apple logo appears, go ahead and let go of your phone, and this is going to reload the system software, and it can actually fix glitches after big updates, and don't worry, it's not going to delete your data. But after trying this, your notifications should be back on track. If this guide did help you out though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.